Our company has been continuously growing, so we wanted to add more production throughout the day. ZAGO Manufacturing manufactures high-tech sealing fasteners and switch seals for any type of equipment or application where you need any type of sealing of the equipment.
We talked about a couple of applications that would be really insightful for them to implement first off the bat, and it was, where do you see a lot of downtime? Where do you see that you could implement automation and robotics? With that, Allendale sold the actual Haas machine. So since we decided that CNC machine tending was the perfect application, they came down, they did the programming on the CNC side, we supplied the robot.
And then Allendale's part as an integrator is to do that tie-up of the robot to the Haas machine so that the two are in sync. As things like door opening, chuck closing, getting the timing and sequencing.
The bowl feeder feeds the parts to a track. The robot comes in, takes the part right off the track, and inserts it into the machine. The machine even has an automatic door opener. So basically now the operator, instead of just operating the machine, now they're inspecting parts coming off the machine and programming the robot.
When I get out of high school, I came to ZAGO Manufacturing. I was working in the menu machines. I was doing like basic stuff, like doing grooves, doing cut down, everything in the menu machines. When the Bravo came to this company, it improved our quality and increased the quantity of the job that we're doing. It was pretty fast. It's something that I used to do before is like using G-codes, programming.
This is really important to have Ford's Copilot because it basically ensures that the part is going to be inserted into the machine at exactly the right point, so that the operation that's getting done to the actual part is exactly the same way at every part.
They were very, very fearful in the beginning that this was going to be a lot more complicated than they thought. And we explained to them insights. There's a remote monitoring where we can help you at any given point, anywhere in the world, tap into the machine and make changes on the fly.
ZAGO is probably about an hour and a half away from our office, and to be able to, see what they're doing and help them troubleshoot over the phone is definitely well worth the having the feature on there.
Right on your desktop, you can see all the notifications if the robot stops working, if the robot has an alarm. You'll see all the efficiency of the robot, the productivity of the robot, how many parts are coming off the machine every hour. You get a full report, basically. So it's very easy to work with, and it's very easy to see how productive the robot is being on a day-to-day basis. So we've also been able to have a night shift, basically lights out. So we have the machine working overnight with no one attending the machine. In a year from now, we might have more robots on the shop floor, and our employees will be, instead of operating machines, they'll be programming, setting up, and doing quality inspection.